What if the best time to start a YouTube channel isn't behind you, but right now, in 2026? Forget what you've heard about saturation or needing millions of subscribers. The reality is, the ecosystem has shifted. The algorithm has evolved. Audiences crave depth over distraction, and AI tools have leveled the playing field like never before. If I were starting from zero today, here's exactly how I'd build a profitable, future-proof channel without burning out. First, I'd ignore trends and double down on micro niches. Most people go too broad. Instead of tech reviews, I'd focus on AI tools for indie architects or Web3 for sustainable fashion founders. Why? Because specificity attracts loyal audiences and high-value sponsors. A focused audience of 5,000 is worth more than a broad audience of 100,000. Deep, focused content wins over viral fluff. Second, I wouldn't script every word. I'd use AI as a co-pilot. I would input my core idea into a custom GPT or Claude Opus and ask it to generate a tight outline with hooks and transitions. This cures writer's block instantly. Then, I'd speak naturally on camera using the outline. Authenticity beats polish. Viewers connect with real humans, not robotic presenters reading teleprompters. Third, I'd batch create using a 90-minute weekly system. Context switching kills productivity. Monday is for research. I'd find 3 video ideas using YouTube search suggestions and Reddit threads. Tuesday is recording day. Record 2 to 3 videos back to back. Same outfit, same lighting. This keeps you in the flow state. Wednesday is for editing. Use Descript or CapCut for auto captions. Thursday is for scheduling. Write descriptions with SEO keywords and schedule the uploads. This eliminates decision fatigue and ensures consistency, the #1 predictor of growth. Fourth, I designed every video for evergreen value. Avoid titles like Top 10 AI Tools this week. That video is dead in a month. Instead, create How to Build a Custom AI Agent, a guide that stays relevant for years. Evergreen content compounds like interest in a bank account. Trend chasing expires like milk. Build a library, not a news feed. Fifth, I'd embed monetization from day one. You don't need to wait for AdSense. Every video would include a soft call to action for a free lead magnet linked via Linktree. That builds an email list, a direct line to my audience. Emails don't have algorithms. Once I hit 1,000 subs, I'd layer in affiliate links to tools I genuinely use, and later, launch a cohort-based course or digital product. Sixth, I collaborate early. Instead of waiting for clout, I DM small creators in adjacent niches. Love your video on regenerative farming. What if we explored how AI optimizes soil sensors? Cross-promotion builds trust. Seventh, I treat analytics like a compass. I'd watch audience retention graphs religiously. If viewers drop at 130, my hook failed. If they stay past 80%, I've got a winner. Data guides iteration, ego kills channels. Finally, remember, YouTube is a publishing platform, not a social network. Success isn't about daily posts. It's about strategic, high-leverage content that solves real problems. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The tools have never been smarter. And the hunger for genuine expertise has never been higher. If you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. If this blueprint inspires you, please like, share, and subscribe to 100x Wealth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI, Web3, and intelligent strategies. Your voice matters, and the world needs to hear it.